How to log into your ShowMax account. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to log into the ShowMax account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. But before getting started, I just want to remind you to press the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads as well. The first thing you need to do is open up your web browser on your PC, and then you can just simply search for ShowMax login. Go ahead and search for ShowMax login and hit enter. Now the first link that you should see is showmax.com. You just want to open it up, and once you open up this link, what you need to do is you'll find the sign in option on the top right corner. Just tap on it, and once you tap on the sign in option, you will be taken to the login portal where you can simply enter your email address, and then once you have entered your email address, just hit continue to enter your password. So if your email address is correct, you can simply enter your password from there, or if you want to continue with your mobile phone, just tap on sign in again, and if you want to use your mobile number instead, tap right here, choose the country you're in, and then you can simply enter your mobile number to continue to log in. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.